Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add video to Wix website. So, let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and open your website editor. This is where you can make all your changes and updates to your site. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the specific page where you want to add your video. You can either select an existing page or create a new one if needed. Now that you're on the right page, look at the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation panel for customizing your site. Find and click the plus icon labeled Add to open the menu. In the menu, you'll see a variety of elements you can add to your site. Scroll down and select the option called Video. Here, you'll find several options to choose from, such as uploading your own video, embedding a link, or even adding a video box design template. If you want to upload a video from your computer, click Upload Video and select the file you want to use. Make sure your video file meets Wix's upload requirements, which you can check in their support section if needed. The upload process may take a few moments depending on the size of your file. If you prefer to use a video hosted on YouTube or Vimeo, choose Add Video and paste the link into the designated field. Wix will automatically fetch and embed the video for you. It's a great option if you're working with existing online content. Once your video is added to the page, it's time to customize its size, position, and style. Simply click on the video element and use the drag handles to resize it or move it to your desired location on the page. If you'd like to add a border or change the layout, use the design options available in the toolbar. For even more control, click the Settings button on the video. This will open a panel where you can tweak playback settings like autoplay, looping, and even adding a custom thumbnail to your video. These settings allow you to create a seamless viewing experience for your audience. Before you finish, take a moment to preview your changes. Click the Preview button in the top right corner of the editor to see how your video will appear to visitors. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and click Publish, and that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Wix website. Your site is now more engaging and interactive, helping you better connect with your audience.